Hi, I'm Tim Gipson, and I'm going to talk to you about diagnosing your dishwasher. Now, there's two things that you look at with your dishwasher. It has power, and then of course it needs water. Now, if you don't have any, if it's not operating at all, the first thing you might want to check is going out to your power panel and checking to see if your breaker has tripped. If it has, just simply reset that breaker and you should have power. Now, the second thing we run into a lot of times with dishwasher is after you run a cycle, you may have some residual water down in the bottom. Now, if you roll out your lower basket, you can actually remove this basket and take it out. And then when we get down inside here, there's actually what looks like an upside down strainer in the back side of your dishwasher. It's held down with a couple of screws, and that's made to filter out some of the larger particles. At times that drain down there over a period of time, just either by collecting grease or oil or food particles, can get clogged up. So to fix the problem with that residual water, you just want to unscrew these screws, and then you can remove this basket. So once you remove the basket, you can pull out the larger drain, and then you can reach down in there and just with your hand you can clear some of the particles. Now, if it still does not clog, you may need to run a plumber snake down in this side. You want to be careful though, because some of those plastic components, you want to be really careful because it's just a thin plastic line. If this does not clear it, then the next thing you want to check is you want to check the plastic tube that runs from your dishwasher into your drain lines. If you have a garbage disposal, it runs into there, and you want to make sure that that line is clear. Then finally, when you look at diagnosing some problems with your dishwasher, you may just want to make sure that on the front of this that your controls are set properly. Those buttons can, as you push those buttons, particularly where they're push buttons, they can get stuck halfway in between. So you just want to make sure that you have the correct selections for your cycle. So I'm Tim Gipson, and that's how to diagnose your dishwasher.